In this lab, we'll configure a router to function as a DHCP server in Cisco Packet Tracer. We have one router, two switches, and four PCs. The router's gigabit interfaces are connected to two switches, switch 1 and switch 2. Each switch connects to two PCs. GI00 is part of the 192.168.1.0/24 network, and GI01 is part of the 192.168.2.0/24 network. All PCs will receive their IP addresses automatically from the router via DHCP. Go to the router CLI and set the hostname to DHCP server. Now configure interface GI00 and interface GI01 with the IP addresses as shown on screen. These IPs will serve as default gateways for their respective networks. Enable both interfaces using the no shutdown command. Next, we'll configure the router to act as a DHCP server. First, exclude the interface IPs so that they are not assigned to clients using IP DHCP excluded address command. Now, create the first DHCP pool for the HR network using IP DHCP pool command and assign network, default router and DNS server. Then, create another pool for the IT network in the same way. Now, verify your interface status using show IP interface brief command. You should see both interfaces up and running. Then, check the DHCP configuration in the running config using show running config command. You'll find both DHCP pools listed with their network and gateway details. Finally, save the configuration using the write command. Now, go to each PC and open IP configuration from the Desktop tab. Change from static to DHCP. Wait a few seconds, the PCs will automatically obtain their IP addresses from the router. You can verify the IP assignment by opening the command prompt on each PC and typing ipconfig. Each PC should receive an IP from the respective DHCP pool range. Finally, test connectivity using the ping command. You should be able to ping the router's gateway and other PCs in the same network successfully. That's it. We've successfully configured the router as a DHCP server in Cisco Packet Tracer, automatically assigning IP addresses to devices in multiple networks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Packet Tracer labs and networking tutorials.